Good news! May pa 3% cashback promo si SeaBank when you use your SeaBank debit card sa mga gasoline station. And not only that, pwedeng maging free din yung SeaBank debit card mo. Paano yun? Let me explain. Unahin muna natin dito sa 3% gas station cashback promo. Syempre, may promo period yan. Hindi naman yung basta-basta. Okay, ang promo period yan is from June 7 to July 7, 2025. And syempre, yung mechanic niyan natin is use your SeaBank debit card sa mga gasoline station. And ang kagandahan dito, no minimum spend once a transaction is posted. O, magkakaroon ka ng 3% cashback. Pero, basahin natin yung note. May pa-note siya. This reward still subject to the 1,000 monthly cashback cap of the SeaBank card. So, ibig sabihin yung 1,000 monthly cashback, that is a maximum cashback na pwede mong ma-receive when you use your SeaBank debit card sa mga gasoline station. So, when it comes naman sa ating SeaBank debit card, paano magiging free yan? So, ito yung mechanic niya. So, starting yan ng June 7, 2025. So, the mechanics recap. So, yan, syempre, kailangan basahin natin yung mechanic para guided pa rin tayo. Order your first SeaBank physical card on or after June 7, 2025. So, June 7 na siya nag-start. Kung pag nag-order ka ng card mo no June 7, 2025, pwedeng pasok ka dito. Pero reminders lang, your first SeaBank debit card. So, ibig sabihin, itong debit card na to is for the first time user lang. Kung meron ka ng debit card, so hindi ka na pwede dito. Sa mga first time na magkakaroon ng SeaBank debit card, once nakapag-order ka na ng SeaBank debit card mo, at pasok ka sa June 7 ka na or nag-purchase ng SeaBank debit card mo, spend 5 times within 30 days of card activation. No minimum spend. Okay, reminder lang, card activation. I-activate nyo po yung SeaBank debit card nyo once na na-receive nyo po yung SeaBank physical card or debit card niyo, and no minimum spend. So, ibig sabihin, mag-spend lang kayo ng 5 times. O, ang kagandahan na dyan, no minimum spend. So, naman magpagas na lang kayo or ng 5 times within 30 days po. Well, it's your choice. Get 160 back within 5 banking days after your 5th transaction has been posted. So, sa pang 5th transaction mo, doon siya papasok. And it will be, sabi niya, 5 banking days. So, mag-wait ka na ng 5 banking days after ng 5th transaction mo. Kabalik sa'yo yung 160 pesos na binayad mo doon sa SeaBank debit card mo. And this is your sign para mag-open na ng SeaBank account mo. You can download it via App Store, Play Store, and use my referral code March26 para magkaroon ka ng referral reward na 75 pesos higher than a referral reward ng SeaBank. Because we have partnership with SeaBank, kaya possible talaga to. Pero make sure that you hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days. 3 days, hold mo lang yan para pumasok yung 75 pesos mo na referral reward. O, diba, not bad para panimulang pang savings kay SeaBank. Hindi ka lang basta-basta nagsisave dito, tinutulungan ka pa ni SeaBank para makapag-save. Dahil may mga promo siya, kaya paunti-unti masasave mo yan. O, diba, ang ganda ng SeaBank, kaya follow for more.